What's going on YouTube? Welcome to Trading Mama channel. Today I'm going to show you how to trade and profit alongside with Algo Ally signals. Very briefly, I'm going to show you how to set up a TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim account and the settings required to best maximize your trading profits. So what you're going to do is to head over to tdameritrade.com. If you don't already have an account, click on Open New Account, choose Individual, then open an individual account. When your account is approved, go into Client Services, under General. Make sure under Options Trading it is set as Standard Cash. If you don't already have Standard Cash approved, you can click Apply to apply for it. This means you are approved for the standard covered calls, and you can also buy calls and puts contracts. To receive real-time data, make sure you sign everything under Exchange Agreements, and your status is set as non-professional. In Subscription tab, make sure your real-time Nasdaq Level 2 quotes is turned on. And then finally, to set up Algo Ally, you should click the link in the description. Under Subscribe, hit Get Started button under Free Trial and use promo code TradingMama50 to get $50 off. In Algo Ally Discord server, when you are a new user, go to Welcome Channel, click on the lock emoji to start a trial membership. And I will show you how to completely utilize these trade signals. Make sure to download Thinkorswim Desktop, as we will be using the desktop version for trading. On your desktop, to get real-time quotes, what you're going to want to do is to click on Setup. Under Application Settings, go to System. Under Quote Speed, make sure it is set to real-time, no delay. In order to get this workspace, you're going to click on the workspace link under description, and what it's going to do is to open up this page. Click on View in Thinkorswim. This is how I have mine personally set up. You can also adapt your workspace to however it fits you best. Now, let's go over a quick buy and sell in Thinkorswim with Ally signals. On Thinkorswim by default, it will not show all the strike prices. So make sure in the strike tabs, click on the drop down and select all. In Algo Ally, when you see a watch signal, go to your Thinkorswim trading panel, scroll to the right strike price, right click on the Ask, and send it to Active Trader panel 2. For the opens, most likely you're going to be buying at Ask, so your fills will be a little bit higher than what Allies are. So in order to go through these Tesla signals, prices will be different on these contracts, as we are looking at contracts of a different expiry date compared to these previous signals from last week. For this example, these are open calls for ticker Tesla on October 2nd. We'll be looking at this example using this week's expiry as this trade happened once again last week. So what you're doing is trading the Tesla's tickle. You're buying the calls, predicting the stock of Tesla going up. The call expires on October 2nd at strike price 450. So we'll scroll down to 450, right click on the Ask, and send it to Active Trader panel 2. At open, let's say we buy 6 contracts. Click on Buy the Ask button and wait for it to fill. If it doesn't get filled, we can quickly update the prices by dragging the orders closer to the market price. We will see updates till 4.95, and we will sell 1 contract. And then at the next scale out, we'll be selling another contract at 5.25, we'll sell another one at 5.53, and so on. When you see a close signal, you can easily sell all your open contracts by clicking on the flatten button to close out all positions under this trade. And honestly, that is all you need to know on how to profit off Algo Ally signals. Definitely a lot of potential if you can learn how to capitalize on it. And if you have any other questions, you can add me on Discord. My handler is also provided in the description. And besides that, have a good day and good luck trading.